This video will introduce how to use the 7.3-inch 7-color e-paper display. Step 1. Assembly. First, install the batteries. Use the triangle opening tool to open its back cover. Install the button cell and lithium batteries. Then, attach the lithium battery in the designated spot with double-sided tape. Connect the battery wires. Then, align the back cover with the holes and close it. Use the triangle opening tool to fix the board. By now, the assembly is complete. Step 2. Image preparation. First, prepare the images you want to display. As the e-paper frame only supports 24-bit BMP format images, the resolution should be 480 by 800 or 800 by 480. Here we provide two methods to create BMP format images. The first method is using Photoshop to create images in Floyd-Steinberg dithering algorithm. Open Waveshare's wiki and find the Create Images section. Here you can see the detailed tutorial. Those with Photoshop can refer to Waveshare website's wiki. For those without Photoshop, you can refer to the second method. The second method is to use our tool to convert pictures. Find Create Images section on the Waveshare website's wiki. Download the 7 Colors Dithering Pictures Convert tool. After downloading, extract the files. Then, you can directly drag and drop an image onto this icon to convert a single image. Or, if you want to convert multiple images, you can place all the images in this folder. Then, double-click Converter to 7-color all.cmd to batch convert. This completes the image preparation. Next, step 3. Use a card reader to read the TF card on your computer. Note, create a folder named PIC in the root directory. Then, place the BMP images you just created into this directory. This completes the TF card operations on the computer. Insert the TF card into the photo frame's memory card slot. First, push down to open the card slot. Insert the TF card, then close and push up to lock it. Now the TF card is installed. Both LED lights are off by default when not in use. Press the button to switch to the next image. You will see the ACT indicator LED flash rapidly when reading. After the LED is off, the display will start refreshing the image. The image has now refreshed. The AutoNext switch is set to OFF by default. If you need the timed refresh function, switch it to on. In automatic mode, the image switch button still works. To change the automatic refresh interval, you need to update the firmware. Open the Waveshare website's wiki and navigate to the demo code section to download it. The default firmware switches the image every 12 hours. Additionally, there are 6-hour and 24-hour versions available for selection. Then, connect the computer and the e-paper photo frame using a data cable. First, press Run, then press Boot, release Run, and then release Boot. A USB flash drive will appear on the computer. Drag the UF2 file for your desired time version into the folder. It will automatically exit after installation. This completes the firmware update. In the development instructions on the Waveshare website's wiki, 2 environment setups are provided, which you can set up yourself. First, download the program from the Waveshare website's wiki. We have already downloaded the program to the desktop. Extract it and open the folder with vscode. The environment is pre-configured. Open the main.c file and find the main function. Modify the alarmtime.hours parameter to change the interval in hours. As shown in the video, find the time_data structure, which includes parameters for year, month, day, hour, minute, and second. Now, let's demonstrate changing the interval to minutes. Since the e-paper screen refresh time is 35 seconds, setting the refresh interval to less than 35 seconds may cause bugs. The recommended minimum refresh interval is 1 minute. Also, setting the refresh interval too short is not recommended as it can shorten the lifespan of the photo frame. Start editing and click the Build button at the bottom of the screen. After editing is complete, the edited file will be generated in the Build folder. Find the epd.uf2 file and complete the flashing process.